Today in this program, we are going to discuss how to search a record in a binary file. Okay? First of all, before discussing the code, let's run the program and check the output. How does it work? Okay? Enter roll number. Okay? Now it is asking whether you want to enter a record or not. To okay, again press Y, enter the record. Okay, now again press Y and enter the record. Okay, now we have 4 record in our file. Now we will press N. Now it is asking enter roll number for searching record. Okay, now we have total 4 record in our file and we will search a particular record from our file. Okay, now I am pressing 3. Now this is the output. Record is found in the file. Roll number 3, name Kailash, address RKSH. Okay, this was the output of the program. Okay, now once again we will run this program and check what if we don't have that particular record in our file. This time it will ask me directly to search the record because I have changed the value of choice n. If the choice is n, this part of the code will not run. Okay, enter the roll number for searching record. Okay, now this time I am entering 5 and we know record with roll number 5 does not exist in our file. Okay, record not found in the file. Okay, now we have checked both the cases when the record is present in our file and when record is not present in our file. Okay, now let's check the code. Okay, this is the part which is used to ask the user to enter the value and write the record into the file. Okay, and this is the append mode. Okay, ab plus. Okay, our file name is record.dat. Okay, and we will ask the user to enter roll number, name, address, and we will place these values into a list. And finally, using pickle.dump, we will write this list object in our file. This is the code which is used to write data in our file. Okay, we will again open the file. First of all, we will set a criteria on the basis of which we are searching a record from a file. First of all, we will ask the user to enter roll number. Okay, we have created a variable found and set its value 0. Okay, now this is the try block and this is the accept block. Okay, L equal to pickle load, this is the file object. Okay, now record will load into this L. Okay, we have already taken the roll number in X. Now we will compare the X and L0. Okay, if both are equal, the message will come record is found in the file and the values of that record will get printed. After that we will close the file and will change the value of found equal to 1 and break the loop. Okay, after this control will not jump over here because this time there is no exception generated, there is no end of file error generated. Okay, this part will run when the record is not available in the file. This was all about how to search a particular record from a file.